Hey, it's Gabe with API Nation. Smart real estate professionals right now are running Facebook ads. Why? Because so many of the big brands have come off Facebook. That makes the Facebook ads that much cheaper for everybody else. You can generate tremendous amount of leads with the right ad, which leaves you with a great problem to have. How do I follow up with all these leads? API Nation has you covered. Wouldn't it be great as a BombBomb user to be able to have BombBomb send a lead a BombBomb video as soon as they click it in Facebook? Let me show you what I'm talking about. In Facebook, under your business page, you can go into publishing tools and you can create ads, and you can create what are called lead forms for those ads. You can go to the ad center and create those leads. You can go to publishing tools and create lead forms. And basically all that means is this is a form that is attached to your ad so that when somebody clicks on it, they just fill out their name, their email address, maybe some additional information you'd like their zip code or what kind of house they're looking for, they're buying or selling. Any of that information you can create in this lead form, and then that gets sent to you when the user clicks on the ad. So let's say somebody's scrolling through their Facebook feed and they see, a bunch of stuff they like, but then they see this house for this ad you've placed. They click learn more, their information gets shot into Facebook, and if you've set up the API Nation integration, it's passed right into your contacts list. You can even have it placed on a drip so that as soon as they click that link, they automatically get put on that drip campaign. They start getting your BombBomb videos specifically designed for people interested in that ad. Sound like a smart way to follow up on your leads? It's quick, it's humanizing, it's face-to-face, and the best part, super easy to set up. Let me show you how. We're just gonna open up a new window. We're gonna go to apination.com and we're gonna click apps and syncs. So you can come to API Nation and look at all the apps we've connected. We want to connect BombBomb, so I'm going to click BombBomb, and it gives me all these options to connect BombBomb to. We're doing Facebook lead ads, and here is the template. This is what I'm going to use to set that up. First thing I'll do is connect Facebook lead ads. I'm signed into Facebook, so this should probably just pass me through. It's going to take those credentials and connect it to API Nation. Cool. I'm also signed into BombBomb, so we've connected that. And this is it. This is all we need to configure and launch this thing so that these leads get followed up with videos automatically. So we're going to select the page, API Nation. You're going to select your business page, and then the form, it's going to be the real estate example. That's what I've set up. Save it. Now I'm going to choose my list. I want them going on my, buyer list because I'm going to run a buyer ad. People who are interested in buying this house that I'm selling. And then I've created a drip for that. Welcome video series. Then we can just map this email to email, phone to phone. These are all the information that's coming over from that lead form. So you can just map it over to the stuff in BombBomb here. And then I'm going to save this. So this is it. We're just going to hit start. It's going to ask you for your name and your credit card information so that we can create your subscription. It's $5 flat a month. No matter how many leads come through here, you don't get punished for being more productive. Only $5. All these leads will get automatically sent right to BombBomb. And once you do that, these logos will light up, letting you know the integration is now active. And any leads that come through that Facebook lead ad will automatically get synced right into BombBomb on the list you want. They'll get those videos that you build out using the BombBomb automations that are so powerful. That's it. If you have any questions, any ideas, any suggestions, give us a phone call, send us an email. We're API Nation, connecting the world's applications. We love doing this stuff.